Hi, how are ya? So today I will be showing you how to make your very own K-pop photo cards. In this case, we will be making BTS and our own custom photo cards. So let's get started, shall we? So to begin, you will want to download the pictures you want to convert into photo cards. You can look up in Google BTS photo cards and you'll usually find some files. I will leave down below in the description the PDFs I created, but I stole the pictures, so all the credit goes to the owners. But yeah, and I used cardstock paper to give it that more photo card-likey effect because you know how it's thicker. So some extra materials you will need is a glue stick, some scissors, and some tape. The tape is to create that glossy effect most photo cards have, but I realized that Persona album series doesn't have much glossy photo cards, so I just decided to leave them as they were. Honestly, the steps are pretty straightforward. All you're going to do is cut out the photo cards, of course. And then this step is totally optional. As I mentioned earlier, we use the tape to give it that glossy effect most photo cards have. But again, it is totally optional. It's up to you. I decided to do it for one, and then I just left it for the rest. Once you finish cutting up the excess tape and paper, all you're going to do is glue them back to back. As simple as that. And voila! You are done! You have created your very own photo card! And now that you know how to do this, you're welcome, you can turn any picture you want into a beautiful photo card. For example, I forgot how to talk. For example, I decided to do my Army Selka Day into a photo card, and I find that so cute because you can put your bias and yourself together in a photo card. And that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you get to make thousands and thousands of photo cards for yourself and for others maybe. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos coming soon to Kid Slay. Also, I have an Instagram if you did not know, so if you would like to go give me a follow, I would really appreciate that too. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.